In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio tracks to your videos and recordings to presentations using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, incorporating audio can enhance your project by adding an additional layer of engagement. It's a great way to capture your audience's attention and keep them engaged with your content. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to make sure you have Canva Pro, as this feature is exclusive to Pro subscribers. Once you're in Canva Pro, navigate to your workspace. There you'll find a variety of options to enhance and customize your designs. One particular feature you'll find extremely beneficial is the audio option. This is located on the left-hand side of your editor window. Look for the audio tab and click on it. That's where the audio magic begins. Once you click on the audio tab, a library of audio tracks will appear, each offering different moods and styles. This vast array gives you the creative freedom to find the perfect soundtrack to complement your video or presentation. Take your time to browse through the available options. Don't rush, as the right audio selection can dramatically enhance the emotional impact of your design. After you've listened to a few tracks and found a favorite, it's time to select your chosen audio. Simply click on the track you want to use. As soon as you do, Canva will automatically place this audio track into your current project. It couldn't be more straightforward. If you make a mistake or change your mind, you can always swap it for a different track by selecting another one from the list. Once you've added the audio track, you may want to adjust its placement. If your video or presentation slides are longer than the track or vice versa, consider trimming or looping the audio. Canva provides intuitive, user-friendly tools that allow you to easily extend, shorten, or arrange your audio track to best fit your project's timing. Just click on the audio timeline and you can drag the edges to make adjustments until it aligns perfectly with your visuals. Finally, before you hit export, preview your project to ensure everything looks and sounds exactly as you envisioned. Pay attention to the transition points and check that the audio complements the on-screen content. Make any final tweaks needed to ensure a polished finish. Once you are satisfied with the final outcome, you can download or share your project with confidence, knowing that your enhanced audio will provide a seamless and engaging viewer experience. And there you have it, a simple but comprehensive guide to adding audio tracks to your videos and recordings in Canva. Remember, the right audio can transform your project, making it not only visually appealing but also audibly captivating. Happy designing!